The little bird. A little yellow bird flew high in the air, looking for a place to build her nest. "Can I build my nest in your basket?" she asked the black puppy. "No room," said the puppy. "Where shall I build my nest?" asked the little yellow bird. "It would not be safe here on the ground." She flew over a farm. "Shall I build my nest under the green roof or in the red chimney pot?" The farmer's wife wore a red scarf around her head. "It's not safe to build your nest here," she said. "There are too many cats." The white rooster strutted with his hens and yellow chicks. "I have a nest of my own to take care of," he crowed. "Why do you need a nest?" the black and white cow asked the little yellow bird. "I have my babies in the cow shed." The little yellow bird asked the golden sunflower. But the golden sunflower just smiled and smiled. "There's room in my sty," said the pig with the curly tail. "If you don't mind the squeaks of my 12 little piglets." The little yellow bird saw the barn full of hay. "There's a good place to build my nest," she said. "That hay's for my cows," said the red-faced farmer. "Your nest would not be safe in my barn, little bird." The little yellow bird flew high in the air, away, away. And built her nest in a secret place where nobody would ever find it.